All right, sis, I'm about to liberate you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. There is this really neat makeup technique that's going around, and I'm seeing it more and more and more, and it involves using one eyeshadow to create a look. Who would have thought? And I was inspired by Savannah Silver. She had put out a video not too long ago where she was showcasing the technique. Makeup technique is so awesome, and I just have to share it. So I think the best way to make this look work is to use one vibrant matte shadow. I mean, I'm sure you can use a variety of different colors, variety of different finishes, but to me, a vibrant matte shadow, just, it looks like velvet. And what's also so beautiful is the intensity on the lid, and how with the proper blending, it just graduates into this soft halo around the eye. We're going to get started. So I have a matte palette that I'm going to be featuring on colorrelation.com. By the time you see this video, it's probably already on there. And this is the Summer Brights palette. I'm wearing something kind of, I don't know, kind of greenish, but I don't want to go green. So I think I may just go with this color right here. This is very similar to the one Savannah had, but I think this is going to work with what I'm wearing this evening. And so we're going to take a nice packer brush, work that color right there. Just about any of these colors in the Summer Brights palette would really work well. There's a purple in here that I would love to do, and I would have done that, but I've done quite a few purple looks. I think this is a Sephora brush, and we're going to use that. And underneath the eye, I'm going to take some cream concealer and a nice pencil brush. And let's go back to that blue. I'm going to stick with black today, under the waterline, or on the waterline. And then I think I'll continue with lashes, top liner, and we'll come back for cheeks and lips. Guys, so let's finish up the look, and let's take the Too Faced blush. And this is a gift given to me, and I love this blush. Too Faced Strobe Berry. And I'm looking for a nice pink because we're going to do a kind of pinkish lip. And then we'll take the highlighter side of this. And next I'm taking one of the Me Now True Lips lip liners. We sell them in a pack on my site, colorrelation.com. And this time I think I'm going to take a MAC Lip Shine in Cherry Mochi.
Take a shower real quick.
Shh. Husbands. Then we'll finish up with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And guys, that is it. It is a quick, easy look. You're working with one beautiful shade and so much fun, especially when you have a really good palette and you can really work with a variety of different beautiful colors. So I hope you can stop by colorrelation.com and check out the Summer Brights palette. We'll be getting some new things in this summer that I hope you really enjoy. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Take care.